In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a LinkedIn conversation. If you want to clean up your inbox, remove old chats, or simply keep your LinkedIn messages more organized, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can delete a conversation without any confusion. To get started, log into your LinkedIn account and look at the top of the page. From there, click on Messaging. This will open your LinkedIn inbox where all of your direct conversations are stored. Once you're in the messaging section, you'll see your list of messages and conversations. Take a moment to look through the list and find the specific conversation you want to remove. This can be helpful if you have multiple chats and want to make sure you're deleting the right one. When you've found the conversation, move your cursor over it. As you hover over that chat, additional options should appear. Look for the 3 dots icon associated with that conversation. This is the menu that contains more actions you can take. Click the 3 dots icon and then select Delete Conversation from the menu. LinkedIn will usually ask you to confirm the action before it is permanently removed. Go ahead and confirm the deletion, and that's it. The conversation will be deleted from your messaging list. One important thing to keep in mind is that deleting a conversation removes it from your view, so it's a good idea to double-check before confirming, especially if the chat contains information you may want to refer back to later. Taking an extra second here can save you from accidentally deleting the wrong message thread. If the option doesn't appear right away, make sure you are hovering directly over the correct conversation in the message list, since the menu can sometimes be easy to miss depending on your screen size or browser window. As you can see, deleting a LinkedIn conversation only takes a few clicks. Open Messaging at the top, find the conversation in your message list, hover over it, click the 3 dots, choose Delete Conversation and confirm. That's all you need to do to keep your LinkedIn inbox tidy and easier to manage.